How to add a payment method on Wix website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a payment method on a Wix website. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your wix.com and you will get right here. You can also go to manage.wix.com. Once you sign in, you will get to the main dashboard right here. So you will select your site. I have selected this site right here, and this is the dashboard for the website. So in order to set up the payment section, what you will do is you will actually find this menu. In this menu, we have finances right here. In finances, we have payments. So you're going to select this option. Here we have manage payment methods, and we can connect any kind of payment method here. If you want to connect a manual payment method, click on connect. Select the payment method such as cash payment, offline payment, cash on delivery. So I want to actually do a cash payment or maybe a cash on delivery. You will enter the information right here, and you can see we can also add like a free shipping for this. Similarly, we can integrate different platforms such as Stripe, PayPal, and connect them right here to our Shopify payments. So it's actually really easy. It also depends on your country, what are the different methods available in your location right here. For example, I have changed my location and now you can see we have Stripe, PayPal, and manual payments, and there are other options as well. So you will just create an account on Stripe if you want to accept Visa card, MasterCard, UnionPay, and many others. Click on connect and connect your platform. Similarly, select PayPal, click on connect, enter your PayPal details, and your payment method will be added on Wix. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.